just means that it really turns up here into the center of the country. We're talking a heat index to 100 all the way to North Dakota. Excessive heat warnings down into Oklahoma and Arkansas. Essentially, your heat index is going to be above 100 in all these locations. And notice as we go through the day, Fort Smith almost into the 1-teens. At 7 p.m., that sun is still up, by the way, and it's going to feel like 107. Woof, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Notice here has been so stormy as of late, and we're finally going to get some rain into the south to cool us off from the heat. So you can see we got a little trough here, you got a little spin there, a little something there, you got some energy here, and we will still see that storm track going over parts of the Midwest, but we actually have a surface feature that is going to kick off those storms. And there it is for you. There's our front coming down this boundary with the daytime heating, and there's obviously the moisture in place, because we have all that humidity and those high heat indices. As we go into the afternoon, the daytime heating really helps kick things off for us. Showers and thunderstorms as we go into the evening hours, so you get a couple rounds coming through as we head into our Tuesday. Florida, we don't need any rain really from Lake Okeechobee southbound here. We've seen a lot of it. Miami, we're nearly 8 inches above average on rainfall for the month. Tampa is like +2. Orlando, though, is -3. Essentially, Central Florida northbound is still really where it's dry, but the entire peninsula will be getting the storms with that daytime heating. Your sea breeze will kick in. All of it is going to, bring us some showers. This we don't want to see. We are totally wet down here, and remember, it is the rainy season, so it's not out of the ordinary that we would have those storms, but we are just drenched. And it, of course, is hurricane season, which is no coincidence that it's rainy season as well, but no hurricanes to worry about as of right now. Miami, this is essentially what everyone's forecast looks like in Florida. Scattered storms, highs sitting around 90 degrees, and you notice in the afternoon, oh, boom, everything hits. It goes away with the diurnal heating, the sun goes down, and then the sun comes back up, and we get more rain. Jim.
Atlanta
Headquarters, we are starting out the week with the AC cranking, more than 165 million sweating it out with temperatures over 90, add in that humidity, and it's going to feel well into the triple digits, by the way, all the way into North Dakota. 100 degrees will be our heat index. And then in the upper Midwest, it's the storms that are blowing through. We are on a track to bring more severe weather to Minnesota and Iowa, which has seen significant flooding. It does look like it will be wind and hail damage with this one, but we can't fully rule out a tornado, Jim.
No, we can't.
Right? So really the big chunk of the East Coast is going to see those rips. And here's the thing, as he was just talking about, you really should only swim where there's lifeguards, even if there's low rip current. Make sure you're swimming where there's lifeguards, or don't get in the water. Here's the look of the flags that we were just talking about. I'll tell you what, even when it's medium, it can be rough out there. I remember as a kid when it was yellow, it still could be plenty rough for you out there. So keep that in mind. Hilton Head, water temperature 82. 92 on land. That burn time is going to be 15 to 25 minutes. Something else you have to remember, lather up in the sun cream here. Those winds blowing at southwest at 16 miles an hour. And as we head up the coast, you'll get a chance for some thunderstorms here in Hatteras, about a 90% chance of rain. So that will hopefully keep everyone off the beaches, because obviously lightning, humans, water, none of it mixes together. The same in Virginia Beach. We'll see some of those scattered storms as we head into the afternoon hours. Farther north, water temperatures much colder. Look at that. 58 degrees. That's quite a difference for us here, but it is going to be a little bit cooler in the Northeast. Look at Long Beach, only 78 degrees today.